My dear sisters and brothers, God is always good, and God is everywhere, and God is in everything. But what God needs is our cooperation. But there is also the possibility of evil. It is the good angels that we know who rebelled against God and have become the devils, and they are the ones who are also influencing our thinking. And from the thinking, they manipulate our behavior. And we can be duped by evil, thinking that it is good, till we realize that what we thought was good is not good. But you will see that we will still keep defending the not good, and that is what we see everywhere. That can be disheartening, but let us remain firm in the Lord. We see how Joshua remained in the Lord, and he saw the people wavering, coming this side, going that side, one time saying this, one time doing that. But he remained steadfast. So also Moses. And so they were the ones who were able to give the people direction in conforming to God's plan. He remains faithful. We waver. But then God does not, even in those moments, abandon us. He always comes to us. And so we are always children of God. We may physically grow old, but we are always children of God. Like for a mother, we are always their children. And that is how, for God, we are always His children, whom He loves and cares, whatever they may be, whether they conform to Him or not. When we do not conform to Him, actually we put ourselves into danger, because evil always does that. And sometimes we wrongly blame God, saying, it is God who has done this. It is God who punishes us. God takes the punishment upon Himself and dies for us. This is His love for us. So we must be able to get ourselves right in our thinking, so that we will cooperate with God who is dwelling with us, and His goodness will flow through our thoughts, words and deeds. Let us keep all our thoughts, our feelings in the Lord, always, so that in Him we will be able to take our steps forward. Hold your hands together, keep your back straight, close your eyes, and at every breath, Jesus fills us with His presence and love. And let us empty all that is there within us, the good, the bad, the ugly. And when we keep it on Him, He will purify it. Even the good, evil one will also tempt us in that way and slowly take us away from God's goodness. When we want to be God's goodness, we must be always humble, simple, and like Mary, saying with this attitude, be it done to me according to your word, and we cooperate with God.